Okay, here's one. This is Outzone Bootleg. Now this one had some pins shorted there and a deadline there on the ROM. The amp is missing. I'm not sure what amp it is and which way round it goes, but there's no damage, and the guy who got this, who is this, knows that amp. He borrowed it for something else. So let's fire it on. There we go. These are normally very hard to fix, but this one was lucky. Line damage, basically. Smashed custom legs into each other and damage on the bottom. So yeah, bootleg 1.1 copy, because it's got original chips. Bit of a shit quality PCB though. The tracks rot away. I don't know what that's about. That was already on here. Some diode shit. I'll leave that. Doesn't do any harm. Bootleg fodder in it. There we go.